Welcome. This video will tell you how to join your court hearing on Zoom. It will also tell you how to view sign language interpretation if you have requested an interpreter for your hearing. If you haven't already, you may also want to watch the video, How to Prepare for Your Remote Court Hearing on Zoom with Sign Language Interpretation, for tips on getting ready before the hearing. Now, let's go over how to join and participate in your court hearing on Zoom. At about 10 minutes before your scheduled court hearing, join the meeting by selecting the Zoom meeting link that you received from the court, or by entering it into a web browser. You can also open the Zoom application and select Join a Meeting. Then, enter the meeting ID and passcode if one is required. You may be prompted to enter your name when joining. Be sure to enter your full name so the court can identify you. When you join, you may need to wait until the court starts the meeting or lets you into the meeting. If this happens, you will see a notification to wait until the host lets you in. If there are other cases before yours, you may have to wait a while until your case is called. When the court lets you in, you will see the other participants on screen. Make sure you can see them clearly and that they can see you. On a computer, you may need to select Gallery View from the View menu to see all participants. On a smartphone or tablet, you can tap the 9-square icon for Gallery View. You may have to swipe to see all the other participants. Sit directly in front of your camera so that you are in full view. Note that the court may have certain settings selected that control what you can see and do. Next, locate the interpreter. Your interpreter should have their name and ASL interpreter displayed in their video. If you can't find the interpreter, let the judge know. You may choose to do this by typing a message in the chat. Once you locate the interpreter, it's a good idea to pin their video. This way, it always stays located in the first position on your screen and doesn't move based on who is speaking. On a computer, hover over the interpreter's video and then select the More 3 dots menu in the top right corner. Then select Pin. On a tablet or smartphone, double-tap the interpreter's video and then select Pin from the menu that appears. If you need to pin more than one video, let the interpreter know. They can work with court staff to allow you to do this on Zoom. Note that some courts may use Zoom's sign language interpretation feature. This feature allows participants to see the interpreter in a dedicated video channel. If the court has enabled this feature, you will see an interpretation icon on the toolbar. On a computer, this will be a globe icon. Select this icon. Then, under Watch, select the sign language interpretation channel that has been assigned, such as American Sign Language. On a tablet or smartphone, select the More or 3 dots icon. You may have to swipe to locate this icon at the far right of the toolbar. Select Interpretation from the menu that appears. Then select the sign language channel that has been assigned. Be sure to select Done to confirm your selection. On a computer, once the sign language channel is selected, a pop-up window will open displaying the interpreter, so long as their camera is on. This window can be moved anywhere on the screen and can be resized. On a tablet or smartphone, the interpreter will be visible next to the speaker. If you want to stop viewing interpretation at any time, select the interpretation icon again and then select Sign Language Off. Finally, let's cover some court decorum basics. Throughout the hearing, do not interrupt the judge or others as they are speaking. But do let the judge know if you have any technical difficulties or accessibility issues. You may choose to do this by using the Raise Hand feature. You can get to this by selecting the Reactions icon on the toolbar. Selecting it will place a small raised hand icon in the corner of your video screen to indicate you have a question. You can also type a message in the chat. At the end of your court hearing, the court may end the meeting or will tell you that you can leave. Select the red Leave Meeting button to exit the meeting. We hope this video has helped you get ready to attend your remote court hearing on Zoom. Check your local court's website for more information. The court's website may also include direct links to appear via Zoom. Thank you.